Check this out. That's Route 40. I just got off of. Look at this though. One of them signs. Power lines down. Look at that. See? Taken out. Crazy. I mean, all these little orange things on the ground up there were all stacked up on the side of the road, one after another, because starting yesterday, so you can see them all out there too. Starting yesterday, I-40 was going to be slow because of repairs, so everybody was like informed to stay off of them. And so the first day that they were going to be having, look at that, severe delays and waits because of the work they were doing, it's going to be obviously quite a bit longer now. Look at all those, man. They got guys behind me that are picking up these orange things. That's pretty devastating right there, man. Never seen a power line like that go down. Or down. Come up here, I'll show you something else. I can see from here. Maybe you can see it. See that? A light power line down. See, it's broken. We're going to end up having to go that way, so you're going to get a good shot of it, but just oh, I just can't get over. Look at that, man. They're busted. All of them are broke. Look at that one's broke right at the wood. See that? Crazy. Let's see, okay. Oh, look at this. See this wire? That's from this freaking telephone line that we're about to, or power lines. Look at that. So now we're about to run right up. Look, they're throwing these logs down there. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh my God, we're going over the power line right now. Oh, it's like waiting for a roll. Oh shit. I'm not too comfortable doing this. Whoa. Oh my God, my. All right, I gotta let you go for a minute.